Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me for day 9 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So yesterday, let's just talk about day 8. Unfortunately, I don't have good things to say, and I know I'll probably get some comments on this. And by the way, the comments are very entertaining, just so you know. But anyway, back to this. So I've made these before, so I kind of knew how they were made, but I decided to follow the directions that were printed in the box. Unfortunately, when I used those directions, the lid wouldn't go on, so I tore it apart and decided to do it the way that I know how to do it. And then things started bending because this ring is super duper cheap. You're better off going and getting a regular canning lid ring if you're going to use this, because this is very pliable. But I did manage to get it closed. I don't think I'll ever get it open again. So there's that. I originally said it was a $8 item. That's what I was going to value it at. Since working with it, I'm going to say $5, because there are buttons in here. They're all plastic, but there are buttons. Some are broken, but there are buttons. And it is a cute little jar too. So I'm putting it at 5. Might even be a little high for that, but anyway, it's done. And I did use fabric from the charm pack that we got on, what was it, day 2. All right, so today's item, day 9, here we go. Okay, there's a pattern. Okay, Missouri Star, I see what you did here. This is a button pillow. This is really cute. I bet this goes with our buttons that we got. Also, some blue fabric. Not sure how much, but I will measure it and put it up on the screen. A Roxanne Quilter's Choice, it looks like a marking pencil, white pencil. Okay. I don't know what this is. Some sort of, oh, this must be the template for this. All right, you know I'll have this done tomorrow, hopefully. We'll see. I'll try to get it done. I'll at least work with it a little bit to see some progress. If I have to sew all those buttons on, I might not get it done, but we'll see. But this is great. I've never done this before. What a fun idea. And you can use the buttons from our jar, I guess. I don't know if I can get my jar open, but we'll see if I can. And I really like this. This is awesome. Okay, very cool. So 12 days of Quiltmas. I hope you enjoyed seeing my quilt last night. I actually really love my quilt and I'm very proud of it. I hope you win it. But tonight is one of my favorite people in the whole wide world, Fallon from Sew Quilts. Her quilt is debuting tonight. And just so you know, she's the one that got me into doing these unboxings. She's awesome. She did it 2 years ago and then I did it last year, and I talked to her first about doing it and she was okay with me doing it too. And she's also doing it right now too. So check her out. She's wonderful, just a wonderful person. What you see is what you get. She's awesome. All right, let's take a guess at day 10. All right, and if you don't want to see, turn it off now, okay? All right, day 10 is little. I have no idea what this is. It's kind of rigid, hard here. There's lumps back here. It's not shaped like scissors or anything, at least not that I can tell. Maybe some sort of notion? I don't know what this is. We will be surprised together tomorrow. I hope you have a great day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.